Hey, this is Adam. Over the next 3 days, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 essential tools that you must have in your health network marketing business to really take it online, start to attract more of the right type of people, and to start making sales, generating leads and clients for your network marketing business. Okay, but in this video, I'm just going to be talking to you about the first tool, the most essential tool that you must have for your online business, and to share that, to really help you understand how this works into your business. I'm going to give you kind of a 40,000 foot view here. So we've all heard of social networks, right? And so what you need to be doing is, so we have Facebook, we have Twitter, we have YouTube. Okay, and there's obviously a lot more. What you want to be thinking of these as is outposts, all right? This is like external to your actual online business setup, because these are the places where there's already billions of people, right? There's already billions of people in your audience, people who are health-oriented, are looking for your solutions, and which it's really important that you're establishing presences in these networks, okay? And this means, you know, you want to have a Facebook business page, all right? You want to have Twitter, a Twitter presence. You want to have a YouTube channel. But here's the thing. You don't want to be keeping your audience here, all right? Because these are places where you don't actually own the real estate. These are networks that are actually owned by other entities. And so what you want to be doing is building your audiences here, but then directing them to what's called your blog, okay? Now, a blog is a website, but it's a website that's really designed for marketing. It's really designed for making frequent updates, all right, and publishing fresh content on a regular basis, okay? That's what a blog is. It is a website. It's just a website that's really optimized for providing fresh content, okay? So what you're going to want to be doing is establishing presences in these social networks and then directing that traffic to your blog, because this is actually the central hub of your business. This is your internet real estate where you control the traffic. Think of it as like your home base for your online business. Okay, so this is the first tool that you have to have with your health network marketing business once you decide to take it online. You need to get your blog set up, okay? And you really have a couple of options. One option is to build it yourself, which I don't recommend, because you have to register a domain, you have to set up hosting, you have to install WordPress or some other web template system, you have to code in all the features you need. And obviously, especially if you're not a technically savvy person, this can cost you a lot of time. You might have to pay someone else to do it, so it can cost you a lot of money. What I strongly suggest you do is just get started with the blogging system that I personally use and recommend to all my clients, called Empower Network. Okay? And Empower Network is basically a done-for-you blogging system that enables you to brand yourself, and it was designed by marketers for marketers. So it has all the features that you need built right into it. Okay? And the great thing is, when you make the decision to get started with this blogging system, you also get access to me. I give you a 30-minute free consultation where we'll really develop an action plan, and I'll help you get clear on your audience and exactly how you need to use this tool, the blog, to really build an audience and start to attract more of the right type of people to your business. So just take that step now. Click the link below this video. Get signed up for the blog, and then my assistant will be reaching out to you to schedule your one-on-one coaching call with me. And stay tuned for tomorrow in the next video, where I'm going to be talking to you about the second tool that you must have in your online business to really get the results that you know you want and you deserve. So I'll see you in that video.